In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to vibrate vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this one next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Lastly, click on the last switcher next to haptic feedback to enable or disable haptic feedback, for all of your taps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!